guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great day today, guys. Just want to come back real quick and show you my new cards for the Postcard Tycoon has arrived. I'm super excited. I showed you guys I customized this card for the Postcard Tycoon, and they have arrived. They're very fast on getting them out to me. I just ordered them last week, and I have them ready to go. Okay, I've customized them with my picture on them, and I've also been able to edit the address on those. So if you join my team with the Postcard Tycoon, I will do the same for you too. Okay, so the Postcard Tycoon is a direct mail program in which you can earn $300 commissions every time you refer someone to the Tycoon. Go check it out at thepostcarddiva.com. Just mailing postcards. It comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads. If you join my team, I will throw in an extra 250 leads for you, okay? So go ahead and click that link below. Get started with me in the Tycoon. $300 per sale, guys. It's $300 plus $198 for the administration. So you're looking at $498 to get started in this business. But it pays itself off after 2 sales, okay? Not to mention, it's only 35 cents per stamp to mail postcards. Super simple, just mailing postcards. And on every 5th sale, after every 5th sale, see what it says? After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 stamps, and 500 leads after every 5th sale. Not one time, but after every 5th sale, okay? So this is a great program to get started in. This postcard program has been around since 2016, so it's 4 years old, proven to work. Okay, I've talked about it for years now, for 4 years, okay? So if you have any questions, give me a call. Matter of fact, call that number. Listen to that sizzle number and go to the website and check it out. If you're interested, go ahead and mail your money orders in. Oh, I can accept electronic payments too. So if you want to pay me the $300 electronically, I can make that happen, okay? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, okay? See you guys on the inside of the Postcard Tycoon. You guys have a blessed day.